Today, we'll demonstrate how to integrate the iSG with the Philips Hue color bulb. First, here's our Hue bulb and the corresponding Hue app. Let's also take a look at the main interface of the iSG. Firstly, here is our Philips Hue bulb, along with the corresponding Hue app. We start by using the Hue app to turn on the bulb and adjust its color. This is the main interface of the iSG. You'll notice that the Hue card on the main interface of the iSG lights up, indicating that the bulb is on. Next, we integrate the Hue bulb into Home Assistant using the built-in Home Assistant Hue integration feature in the iSG. In the control interface of Home Assistant, you can see that all actions are fully synchronized with those in the Hue app, with virtually no delay. We can also control the Hue color bulb directly from the iSG device page. Simply find and click on the control card for the Hue color bulb, and you will enter the detailed control interface for this device. Whether controlling through the Hue app or the iSG, the synchronization of operations is excellent, ensuring a smooth user experience. We can also adjust the bulb color directly from the iSG. Return to the iSG homepage, and by clicking on the card, we can quickly turn off the bulb. Thank you for watching this part of the video. If you like this introduction, don't forget to click the subscribe button below.